welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I am trying out one of Outre's newest melted hairline units in the style Divine. I got her in the color 2, and y'all, let me just say, can we say hello to my new everyday wig? I'll be rocking this unit to work every day. You best believe it. I am feeling this unit, so if you guys are interested in hearing what I think about it, watching me install it, all that good stuff, then continue to watch, and let's go ahead and jump into this video. Of course, before we jump into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and then follow me on my socials. They'll be in my description bar as well as right here on my screen. Now let's jump into the installation. To speak on the construction of the unit, it does have some combs in the back as well as in the front, and then you have an elastic band that has been put into the unit. So this unit does come with HD transparent lace. It's safe for you to use heat on. It has a frontal effect hairline that says no plucking is required. Baby hairs are included. It has a pre-attached wide elastic band, and then it says that it is redesigned for comfort fit on your ear contour. Coming back in on camera because I want y'all to see what the lace is looking like right now. Point blank period. We got a little bit of the dry residue left over here from the Got2b spray. But what I'm about to do now is flatten out the roots with my hot comb. I use this, I don't even know if I've ever showed you guys this hot comb. This is a hot comb I usually use. I got this one from Amazon. Now I know I got a little bit of residue left over on my forehead space from this Got2b spray, but y'all, this hairline melted like no other. This is why I love the melted hairline series. Like, they usually show out pretty well with this hairline. So let me go ahead and do a little bit of work to my hair. I just want it to be just a little bit flattened out. I think I'm also going to run my fingers through this and kind of pull these curls loose just a little bit because they're just a little tight. I actually don't know if it needs any heat up here. Maybe it doesn't. Okay, we're just going to use a little bit right here because it looks like it has a little hump. I don't want to flatten it out because I like the height that's right here. I'm just going to pull that out here. Okay, so this is me like playing through it and all that good stuff. So this is without any heat, just a little bit right here where there was a little slight hump. And then this is also the parting space that you get, y'all. This is the lace that you get. I did add powder to my lace. I didn't use tint spray. I used the bronzer that I use on my face, which is the Ebony CoverGirl bronzer, and I just dusted that over underneath the lace just to make sure that it was going to blend really well into my skin. And I really like how it came out. I'm also really feeling this unit without any baby hairs. I really love how natural it looks without the baby hairs. Now, the layers in this unit, super pretty. I love this bang over here and how they have cut the layers in order for it to have this really pretty curl pattern here, as well as on this side. It looks really good. I'm also a really big fan of left side parts and right side, to be honest. I really can work with either, but this one looks really good with this left hand part. And just so you guys know, you cannot adjust it and make it like into middle part or right part. The way they have made the unit, the lace space is only right here on the left side, so that is the side that your part will have to sit on. I do want to touch on the texture of this unit. It is a tad bit shiny. I was hoping that it was going to be a little bit more of a yucky texture, but it's still okay. It's not super duper shiny, and I feel like I could deal with this. You probably could add maybe some dry shampoo in it if you want to just dull down the shininess just a little bit, but it's not like too over the top to make you feel like you have like a really shiny wig on your head. I'm trying to see how I want these curls to drop, which is why you keep seeing me play with it. I don't know if I want it to have this tight curl look right here, or if I should like pull them apart. I know I want my bang to stay front, center, and attention like so. But I think that's like it. That's how it falls. And I do think it looks pretty similar to the models in terms of how the unit came out once I got it installed. She does have a little bit of baby hairs on her, so they do come with baby hairs, you guys. If you feel like you need that. Personally, I feel like the unit looks really good without it, and I really like when I get synthetic units that have these frontal hairlines and they can look natural enough that I don't need to add any baby hair. So I really appreciate that. This is definitely going to go in my category of an everyday wig. This will be a perfect unit to wear to work. It's very professional, very clean cut. The curls are very professional. It's a really cute unit, especially in this color. They do have other colors, y'all, so if you are not feeling like the plain Jane black color, they have so many other options in their DRFF colors. So you got the ginger mahogany, golden amber, golden corral, Cajun spice, creamy mocha, cinnamon wine. I actually don't think I've heard of the golden corral color, so that would be very cute to try. Sizing wise, I definitely think it is very big head friendly. I feel like I have a lot of space back here in the back. I didn't do the adjustable straps either, but it feels very much so loose. It doesn't feel very tight or snug to my head. I do want to speak on using the spray. I do feel like this unit could be worn without any glue or adhesive or spray, and I think it probably would work better after the first wear. After the first wear of wearing it with some glue, like I feel like if I come back to this unit and wear it a second time, I probably won't have to add any glue to it. Just do the adjustable bands in the back and then it'll make it a little bit tighter and it'll feel a little bit more secure on your head. Shedding wise, I'm really not catching any shedding, you guys. I've been running my fingers through it nonstop throughout this entire video. I feel like I'm kind of annoying myself, so I'm probably annoying y'all, and I'm not having any shedding issues, no tangling issues, so I really appreciate that. The lace is, in terms of cutting it, super duper easy. It's very thin, and I feel like that's why it melted into the skin so well. When you have that thin, like the thin enough lace that you feel like you could honestly like just rip it by pulling it. I love that type of lace. It just works so well. It usually blends into the skin really well as well. So I guess I could add some powder to the parting space, but you know what, y'all? She's visible so much for me right now on my camera and as well as in my mirror that I'm not gonna add any powder today, because I'm really feeling the fact that my parting space is very much so visible for me right now. So I'm gonna leave her alone, and this is a first because I usually go in with the powder or concealer or something in my parting space, but today I'm gonna leave her alone. One thing I do want to throw in about the curls, so we have a lot of volume up here at the top as far as like these curls. They're really big bang here, as well as right in the center. But I do think that it falls a little bit, just a tad bit thin right here at the ends. I do wish that it was a little bit more full. Like, let me show you. If I was to pull this apart, and like I want it to stay that way, like I want it to be even all around as such. I do feel like at a certain point, once you place it how you want to, the curls kind of fall a little thin, a little small right here, and I would like it if it was just a little bit more, you know, out there, just a little bit more thick. But yeah, you guys, I think that pretty much wraps up this review. I hope I touched on most of the things that you guys might have questions about. If I didn't, make sure you just leave in my comment section below and I will answer them for y'all. I do want to say thank you again to Outre for sending over this unit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all so much for tuning in. I love y'all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.